In this tutorial, we are going to see how to install VirtualBox on any Ubuntu system. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and simply Google VirtualBox, and then go to the official VirtualBox website in the search results and click on the big VirtualBox download button. This button will take us to the download page of different operating systems, for example, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, etc. We will click Linux distribution since we want to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu. Here we can find VirtualBox for all Linux versions. I will choose 20.04 since I'm using Ubuntu 20.04. Click on your operating system link and start the download. The download will start immediately. It may take a few minutes to finish depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, go to the folder where you have downloaded the VirtualBox, right-click and open the terminal in the same folder. Next, write command sudo dpackage-i and type first four letters of the name of the downloaded VirtualBox file and press the tab key to autocomplete the name of the file and press enter. Enter your system password and press enter again. The installation process will start and complete automatically. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. After the installation is complete, we can test the installation of the VirtualBox by simply typing VirtualBox command in the terminal. Now the installation is complete. We can run the VirtualBox by simply typing VirtualBox in the terminal. As you can see, VirtualBox is running on my system. At this step, VirtualBox installation is complete. Now, if we want to uninstall VirtualBox on our system, then simply use the command sudo apt-get remove --purge VirtualBox and press Y key to confirm the deletion in the terminal, and VirtualBox will be removed automatically. The commands to install and uninstall VirtualBox are available in the video description. Feel free to copy them in your terminal. That's it. I hope you like the video. Bye.